wasn't on the course today. They were pretty So this tournament we're all being watched. There's Jordan's dad is the coach. Oh, really? The other guy, where is he? There's this guy in like a hoodie over there. He's the assistant coach. And so his job today is to make sure everybody's happy with his good. So it's all, like, I know it's a team game, but it's also a very personal thing.
If you make Team Canada, would you like do you get sponsorship from them? Should you go out there like a free flight?
I don't think any of them do. Some might, but not a lot. But the trip is Paris in next November.
Wow.
November 2011. So I really want to get out soon so I can start getting to places. It is a little frustrating not to start getting ready for it. And I'm pretty sure I'll make it too. So, but the thing is you can't, even if you think I can't start fundraising to I don't know, I gotta really wait till I get up to it. Yeah. So, yeah, there's gonna be 8 players going and 8 alternates. So someone gets sick and each of the alternates will probably be numbered, so like 1 will be the first one sub in. So
you actually want 8 alternates? That's a lot of alternates.
I know, but you know, it's just safe. Want to give us all one? Turn around, Come on, Dale, shoot for the goal. Yeah, hit that ball hard. Sishan, you gotta be ready to lay up a little bit. Because you're setting the balls in, but I can't get them. I don't know where the goal is. You know what I mean? Well, because you guys hit the ball and you send it deep, right? So you're better to do what Dale did. You put the skin on your back. Well, yeah. If you're sending it deep, send it around people. Ideally, try and send it. Don't do that next game. You're going to see how good they are. But against the open, I'm going to try it.
This is shoot? Yeah. I just don't understand this shoot. Last year, I think Gold was by Kanye West.
Cardinal! Feels like yellow.
I just don't understand how.
Spin?
Yeah, I don't understand.
Oh no, guys, come on.
Yeah. It's like, no. And in that episode, he was like, oh, I don't
Come on, Dale, you can do this. Scotty, no, what are you doing? You never do that. Big no, never jump it. The guy back. Get the 2-1. Get there you go. It's great. Back up. Yeah. Do it again. Drop, Dale. Never end. Dale, come on. Dale, you're better than that, okay? No. What's up?
Can you bring your charger over there? Because you guys have a game at 12:45.
Oh, well, I'm sitting here to charge. I don't care about I didn't charge my bill last week. Let's charge it.
You didn't charge it last night?
No, I didn't charge it at all. I'm not going to food anymore. Are they good?
I eat anything.
Yeah, I'm kind of big. We need our passes.
Oh, you have to.
Yeah.
Johnson. He's with the team. You can see over there. He's with the younger guys over there. He's crouching down. Oh yeah. It is kind of early, but just go for it. Thanks, Johnson. So do you work with jail or?
Volunteer.
Oh, you're a volunteer.
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. Are you doing this for like university or
School.
like what?
School. ELS.
What's that?
Yes, for improve my English. But I go to Toronto
Toronto.
next week
That's cool. Where are you from originally?
from Panama.
Oh, okay, that's kind of cool.
You know where it is?
Yeah, a little bit. I'm not
Okay.
too good at my geography. Unfortunately, good. Yeah, that's cool. Though. How long have you been here for?
2 weeks, 2 months. I have
months.
2 months.
Well, did you speak English before you came here?
A little bit.
A little bit. Well, you seem pretty good.
Yeah.
So. Easy. Go.
But do they give me like a letter for be a volunteer or something like that?
Will they? You'll have to ask, but probably. Easy, back up. Yeah. Good job. Hey, follow him. Come on.
What's actually on, bud?
I don't know, probably like a church. Like your cell phone.
Turkey, something like that?
Yeah. Yeah.
If they don't turkey, but egg salad.
Hammer, like some kind of meat, not beef, but. Alright, thank you. Go! Strat, that was a little sketchy, bud. Yeah, well, I mean, the thing is, you aim it, so it's fine, but I just don't want it to bounce back into your net. You know what you're doing, though.
Are you from Vancouver?
West Vancouver, so yeah, Vancouver.
West Vancouver?
Yeah. Yeah, we're all the Canadian teams are pretty local. Us in Vancouver from here, and then Okanagan is like 5 hours away.
Okay.
So they drive down to come play. Yeah, Dad. How much time's left in the clock? Okay. Thank you. Gotta turn my fan off.
You have another game now?
I got one after this game, yeah. The fan.
A fan?
Yeah.
Oh.
Keep the turners. I know, dude. Look at it. It's flowing the water. Yeah?
So that fan is for the engine or what? For you?
Yeah, it cools the computer of the chair. Keeps everything going. Yeah, it's saying, it's only a 12-volt fan. It's ridiculous. And you can feel like the dust falling into your face. at my brother-in-law was holding it and the parent of his finger, like swearing. It's plastic. Yeah, he's a bad like that. I know, that's huge. I got one that's bigger, 24 volts. Like how full about it. But I mean, we're talking like blowing the water.
Perfect, thank you.
There you go. Oh dear. That's so loud. I know, why is my bed so good? It's that. Oh, I wanted to contact this up. It's pretty lucky.